Hey, fans of farm life here in the shop. Basically kind of just reclaimed it. Had some barn cats hanging out in here for probably about a month and a half working around them. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little unboxing of these eco-worthy solar panels. So recently we had a shed built, and I was just going to use my solar setup that I have for the greenhouse. I was looking around for some different solar panels, and kind of stumbled across this set. It's 400 watts. There should be 2 in this box, 2 in this box here, and then I also bought 2 lithium batteries. I'll go ahead and unbox one of these. These are 100 amp hour batteries. See, barn cat toy. Anyway, I did get a package also yesterday that had the Y connectors, the cable for the charge controller to the battery, and a bunch of Y connectors. I suppose if I want to hook this up in parallel instead of series. I'm going to just do it in series, so I get 400 watts. And I didn't get a charge controller, so I'm hoping the charge controller's in here. I've looked at other unboxing videos of these, and all the cables and the charge controller comes in here, so kind of wondering why I got controller or cables and the mounting clips separately. So I'm gonna try and set this up here. Pretty sure we can see out of that. Yeah, I guess so. So we'll open this up, see what's in there. Now, I've heard a lot of complaints about the boxing, but this looks like it's taped up a little bit on the corner here. So I don't know where it's. What we got, I don't know. I don't even know how it opens up. Might open on this side here. And I'm not gonna set this up today, but I just wanted to see what was in here, so I thought I'd just do this little unboxing. So, this is definitely an unboxing because I don't even know how to put it apart. So it looks like 2 of these solar panels are strapped together. So So I guess it really comes in 4 boxes, not 2. Alright, so we'll set this one down. Try to open up this one. Okay. Well, this is just the solar panel. So now I'm a little leery about. So, solar panel instructions. Alrighty, fans of farm life. I opened up all of those boxes, and they're all just the panel. This is the battery. I got 2 of those, and then I got another bag that had these Y connectors. This is the cord to the charge controller and the brackets, mounting brackets, but I did not get the charge controller or the 16-foot cords that go from the solar panels to the charge controller. So I have to give them a call and find out where that stuff, maybe it's another package, just hasn't arrived yet, or it was a package on the truck that should have been dropped off with these and didn't. So anyway, until I get that, I'm not going to be hooking anything up. Not that I was going to hook anything up right this minute anyway, but so for the unboxing of these eco-worthy solar panels, this is kind of a anticlimactic wrap up on this. Maybe when I get the charge controller and I get the other cords, we'll do a little mini setup and see what see how they work. All right, that's a wrap for now. Farm Life out. Hey fans of Farm Life, I just wanted to revisit this unboxing. I finally got the long positive cord, the long negative cord. These all came in another box. I got the charge controller. It's a 60 amp. You can use it either with 24 or 12 volt. I'm going to use it as 12 volt. And I haven't really looked at too much of it. Did come with some connectors for you know, the cords and stuff. So I haven't really checked into it too much. I was kind of hoping to have the USB for your phone, but not there. And then in here is the inverter, and I've already had this out, checking it out. It comes with 2 terminal wires, although those look kind of small, if you ask me. Let's put this down for a second. Okay, so here's the inverter. Here's the back side of it. It's got your plus and minus hookups, and then on the front side, here, we've got lithium and lead acid battery, and we have on-off, and got the meter here and 1 AC outlet. I think I'm just going to plug a plug board into it, so I can have like 3 or 4 outlets on there. It's 2,000 watt peak, 1,000 rated, and it is pure sine wave. I do have another inverter, a 1,500 watt inverter I got from Harbor Freight that it's just a modified sine wave. So I'm going to try this one out. It all came with a kit. I did buy 1 extra battery. It came with the battery, inverter, the charge controller, the cords. This is the cord to the charge controller, and came with all of these Y connectors if you're going to use this for, I believe, 24 volt. And then it came with all of these brackets. I think there's 4 for each panel. And it came with the hardware as well. So I'm thinking maybe I'm going to get some square tubing and put on the roof of the shed, and then attach these brackets to the square tubing. If I can, might have to figure out a way to do it, or I can get some of this type of material, and that way I can reach underneath. So anyway, I don't know. I'll figure that out when I get to it. So anyway, this is the unboxing. I think I've already looked at the panels, and we'll come back when we get this hooked up and see how we can get it running. That's it. Farm Life out.